Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix TikTok dark mode feature not showing. So if you want to turn your TikTok appearance or display into a dark mode, but the feature seems to missing or you cannot find it on your TikTok, this is how you are going to fix it. First, let's just launch the TikTok apps. And in here I'm going to click on this profile, and you can see I'm using a light mode or light theme on my TikTok, and I want to turn into a dark mode, but I cannot seem to find it. You can just here click on the three lines icon at the top right corner, then go to the settings and privacy. Now next, in here you can just scroll down until you find the support and about section, and there will be this report a problem. So tap on that. Then here you can just scroll down again until you find the chat with us options. Tap on that and you'll be directed to this TikTok help desk. So TikTok will ask you first, what do you need help with? You can just select the type of issue you are facing. For example, in here I'm going to go with the other, and here you can also choose between this some frequently asked question related to other. For example, in here I'm going to just tap on renew again. But if you seems cannot find it, you can just send a message directly in here. For example, hey, I cannot find the dark mode feature on my TikTok. Can you please fix this issue for me? You can go with this, and then you can just tap on send and then just wait for their response. So in here they will ask you with a chat bot, hi, you must have, you can see this is the option. And here if you find this not helpful, you can just tap on this, and here you can just wait for that feedback again, or wait until they contact you regarding this issue. So that's all for me. That's how you can fix TikTok dark mode not showing on your account. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on the like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.